Did you know you can own a piece of companies like Apple or Tesla? That's exactly what the stock market lets you do. Buy and sell company shares to potentially grow your wealth. The stock market is a place where people buy and sell company shares. If the company grows, your investment may grow too. Every share you buy represents a small ownership in a company. That's the power of the stock market. Ever wondered how investors make money? It starts with the stock market, a place where company ownership is. Have you ever wondered why some traders make money in falling markets while others only invest when prices go up? The secret is understanding the different types of financial markets. In this video, I'll explain every major market. A financial market is a place where buyers and sellers trade financial assets such as stocks, currencies, commodities, bonds, and cryptocurrencies. Every market has its own purpose, risks. The stock market allows people to buy and sell shares of publicly listed companies. When you buy a share, you own a small part of that company. If the company grows, the value of your investment may increase. Some companies also pay dividends. The Forex market is where currencies are traded. Traders buy one currency while selling another, such as USD/JP. It is the largest financial market in the world and operates 24 hours a day during the trading week. The commodity market involves trading physical goods, like gold, silver, crude oil, and natural gas. Prices rely on global demand, supply, and weather. Digital assets like Bitcoin. Unlike stock markets, crypto markets operate 24/7. They are also highly volatile. In the bond market, governments and companies borrow money. Investors receive regular payments until the bond matures. Bonds are generally considered less risky than stocks. The derivatives market includes futures and options. These instruments derive their value from an underlying asset. Many professional traders use derivatives for hedging and speculation. Primary market is where companies raise money by issuing shares for the first time through an IPO. The secondary market is where investors trade those shares with each other after they are listed. There isn't a single best market. It depends on your goals. Stocks are for long-term investing. Forex is for crypto, offers high potential. Bonds provide stable income. And every successful trader starts by understanding how different markets work. Once you know the basics, learning advanced concepts like market structure, break of structure, liquidity, order blocks, and fair value gap. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. In the next lesson, we'll explore price action, the foundation of professional trading. See you in the next video.